Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to change the opacity of elements on your Wix website to create beautiful visual effects. Start by logging into your Wix account and opening the site you want to edit. Click on the element, like an image, text box, button, or shape. Then open its settings or design panel. Look for the opacity or transparency usually shown as a slider or percentage. Adjust the slider to set how transparent or solid you want the element to appear. Lowering opacity can create layering effects, but make sure text remains readable. You can also apply opacity changes to multiple elements for a consistent look. And that's it. You've successfully customized your element's transparency to enhance your site's design. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.